Hello everyone. I've received a Easter basket stuffer snake from Amazon, and I'm going to demonstrate how to work it. Okay, I already got it plugged up, not plugged up, batteries on in and on it's on here, it's on here. You cut this on right here. It comes with the battery pack, chargeable. One is already in here, and here, 2 AA batteries right there, extra screws, a screwdriver, and a extra charger. Okay, gonna put all this here. On here, I'm gonna show you this button here gets it to roll up. Watch it into a ball. Okay, match it again to go back back to a ball, and see how I flip back over just by mashing this button here. Now I'm going to put this camera down and show you that it, you know, what kids gonna like about it. Okay. All right, come on. Oh, don't knock on my camera. Oh, now that's how to work that using this here. Okay, it's a lot of fun. All right, this from Amazon, $34 was free to me. And you can get your babies one from Amazon, all right? And put in the Easter basket. I'm sure your girl or your boy, or girls and boys, will love this toy here, okay? Because I'm having a lot of fun with it. I can't wait to see my grandbabies so they can have fun with it. All right, Amazon.com. And it's worth it because, like I said, one battery pack is already in there and the other one is fully charged. So the fun never stops. Okay, you have one on the charge and you're using one. Okay, one child run the battery down, the other child run the other battery down. Let's stop all argument. Okay, you play this until the battery go down. Then put a new battery in and you play until the battery go down. That's sharing. All right, or they could take turns, or you just buy 2. Okay, they're affordable, $34 and lots of fun. All right, that's gonna do it. See you later. Bye bye.